In this video we will see how to log in mobile app. The first way is to enter your credentials when installing the app. In the installation panel you need to choose the option I have got a D1 account. Then enter the email address and the password used to activate the license. Then just finish the installation and select the cloud database to open from the menu. The second way is to log in after installing the app, if it hasn't been done before. You have to click on the symbol at the top right to open the side menu. Then on the arrow at the top, present in the colored band, click on Login, enter your email address and password and confirm. To open the cloud database, just select it from the cloud databases present. The app will synchronize the database and open it automatically. For any information or concern, do not hesitate to contact us at info@neos4.com. Thank you for watching the video. We wish you a good work and we will refer you to the next video.